Summary of excavators in life.
Chain trencher. Chain trencher. A chain trencher is an excavation machine that uses a rotating chain with digging teeth to cut through soil and rock. It is commonly used for trenching tasks like laying pipelines and cables. The chain creates narrow trenches, allowing for precise placement of utilities. Chain trenchers are more effective in rocky or hard soil conditions compared to other trenching methods. This equipment is widely used in construction and utility installations. Drum cutter. Drum cutter. A drum cutter is an excavator attachment used for precision cutting of rock, concrete, and asphalt. It features rotating drums equipped with carbide teeth for efficient material removal. This tool is ideal for trenching, tunneling, and demolition applications. Its low vibration and noise levels make it suitable for urban environments. Drum cutters improve excavation speed while minimizing structural damage. Excavator grapple. Excavator grapple. An excavator grapple is a hydraulic attachment used for handling bulky materials. It features strong, claw-like arms that can grasp logs, scrap metal, and demolition debris. This tool improves efficiency in material sorting, loading, and transport. Grapples come in different designs, including rotating and fixed models. They are widely used in forestry, demolition, and recycling applications. Excavator hammer. The excavator hammer is a powerful hydraulic attachment designed to turn even the toughest materials like rock, concrete, and solid structures into rubble. Acting as a massive, relentless hammer, it delivers forceful, continuous blows, effortlessly breaking through hard surfaces with precision. Thanks to its advanced hydraulic system, the excavator hammer generates an enormous impact force, allowing it to penetrate even the densest materials with ease. Perfect for large-scale construction, mining, and demolition projects, this tool combines unmatched performance, durability, and power, ensuring that every job is completed quickly, efficiently, and with absolute safety. Excavator straddle carrier. Excavator straddle carrier. An excavator straddle carrier is a heavy-duty machine used for lifting and transporting large loads. It features a unique frame that allows it to move over objects while carrying them. This machine is commonly used in ports and industrial yards. Its hydraulic lifting system ensures stable handling of containers and heavy materials. The straddle carrier enhances productivity by streamlining logistics operations. Excavator wrecking ball. Excavator wrecking ball. An excavator wrecking ball is a heavy attachment used for demolition tasks. The large, swinging ball is mounted on an excavator arm and used to crush buildings and structures. This attachment is effective for breaking down concrete and steel. It provides controlled demolition while minimizing damage to surrounding areas. Excavator wrecking balls are commonly used in urban and industrial demolition projects. Feller buncher. Feller buncher. A feller buncher is a forestry machine used for cutting and gathering trees. It features a powerful cutting head that quickly fells trees and groups them for processing. This machine increases efficiency in logging operations. It reduces manual labor and enhances safety in forest harvesting. Feller bunchers improve productivity while minimizing environmental impact. Mini road roller. Mini road roller. A mini road roller is a small compaction machine used for compacting soil and asphalt in narrow spaces. It features a drum or vibratory plate that applies pressure to create a smooth surface. This machine is ideal for sidewalks, driveways, and small road repairs. Mini road rollers offer excellent maneuverability and efficiency. They are widely used in urban and residential construction projects. Magnet excavator. Magnet excavator. A magnet excavator is an excavator fitted with a powerful magnetic attachment used for lifting metal debris. It is commonly used in scrap yards, demolition sites, and recycling plants. The magnet can lift steel, iron, and other ferrous materials with ease. This tool increases productivity by quickly gathering and sorting metal materials. Magnet excavators are highly effective for cleaning and material handling tasks. Mini excavator. Mini excavator. A mini excavator is a compact digging machine designed for small-scale excavation projects. It features a hydraulic arm and a bucket for precise digging in tight areas. This machine is ideal for landscaping, trenching, and residential construction. Mini excavators are lightweight, easy to transport, and fuel efficient. Their versatility makes them valuable for various job sites. Mixer truck. Mixer truck. A mixer truck is a specialized vehicle used for transporting and mixing concrete. It features a rotating drum that keeps the concrete in motion to prevent hardening. This truck is essential for large construction projects requiring fresh concrete. It ensures efficient delivery to construction sites with minimal material waste. Mixer trucks come in different sizes to accommodate various project needs.